Hey, hi everyone. This is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video, we will discuss Oracle interview question for automation test engineer, 2 to 5 year of experience. So in this video, just I will going to discuss about of the questions. So you will get idea if you are attending the interview, might you will get the call from the Oracle. Then you will get idea about of which type of the question they will ask you. So I told you in the last, I have made many video on that, another company as well. So some of the questions are very common, guys, so please prepare. And I am also planning to prepare for some common interview question and answer in the coming session. But in this video, just I will discuss this interview question. So my student is already attended in Oracle interview, and they have shared this question. So just we will go through this all the questions. So first question is always tell me about yourself. Okay, so I will tell you in the last of the video, I will also tell you how to prepare and where you have to go to prepare for this interview questions. Second question is write a program to automate empty cart and add product in a cart and find the number of count. So what was the scenario? Let me show you. So you have this cart, right? So here you have to go in this cart and you have to verify your cart is empty. And after that, you have to verify if you are adding any product in this cart, then you have to verify, number of the product. So this was the scenario. Please try to do that. Okay. Try in your side. And if you are not able to do, please take the help from, you know, Google. So this is the good question. And they have asked in the another question, write a test case for Zoom is disconnected. So you have to think positive and negative flow of this test case. They have asked this question as well. And another question is what is a static in Java? So again, this is your static. So Java concept. So end of the video, definitely I will tell you how to do the preparation for Java and Selenium. And another question is can we call method without call? So this is it's some tricky question. So what is the question is, when we create any method, then what happened, we have to call that method. But the question is, can we call method without call? Yes, we can call. In Java, we have a concept called a static and non-static member. Inside this static and non-static member, we have a control flow. So if we will go for the control flow, so a static variable will execute first. So what will happen, in variable we will initialize the method. So I will tell you, I already made a many video for Selenium and Java. Just you can go through that, you will get, sorry, proper answer for that. Now another question is, what is collection and where do you have huge collection in Java or Selenium? Okay, so here the question is, what is collection and where do you have huge collection in not a Java, in Selenium? Okay, so again you have to brush up your collection concept. And many places we use Java, like we having the find elements, it will return the list of the web element. You have get handles, it will return the set of the string, right? And when you are developing any library like Excel library, from there we are using, right? So you can search once on the Google, you will get more point as well. So what is agile ceremony? So this is again common question, guys. So many interviewer, they have asked this question. So I have find some blog over there. So let me show you. I already paste all the question in the description of the video. You can just go and you can prepare well. So this is very good website, so I already copy this link. So you can just go for this website, you will get more clarity. Let me go for some overview of agile. And I made the video on the agile also, how agile is working in the real time. So you can see here. So agile ceremony, just I'm going to like a basics, a sprint. We having the a sprint planning. So in this video, we have a limited time, so I'm not going for the depth. Then again we have a daily stand-up meeting. And another ceremony, the sprint review, and in the last we have a sprint retrospective meeting. Okay, so please go in the depth. Okay, so just by that's why I have shared this link, so you can just go and you can prepare for that. I will share all this question in the description of the video so you will get it. And another question is, what is difference between interface and abstract class? So this is again common question, guys, so please prepare. And another question is, write a program. So we have a one array. Inside this array we have a zero. You can see we have a zero, and here the output must become this zero will be come in the last. Again I have a one website. Almost you will get all the interview question, programming question from here. So you can just go to this website. I have link also, and we have a 110 interview Java programming question, and you will get the answer for that. So this is a very good website, guys, so please follow, and definitely you can do the practice from here only for the programming. And definitely 80% question the interviewer will ask from this website, and they have given the solution as well. So please refer this. So this is the another question, and we'll go for another question. Next question is, what is encapsulation in Java? So again, Java concepts are there. And what is the abstraction? Again, this is your Java concept. And what is singleton and serialization in Java? So we can see many questions they have asked from the Java. So my suggestion is you have to full prepare for the Java concept. Okay, so how to do preparation? You will get many tutorial. I'm not going to tell you guys, just refer in my tutorial, but you can just go through once, and definitely I'm very confident you will get. So this is my channel, Engineers Tech Hub. In this playlist, if you want to brush up your Java knowledge, so you can just refer any complete playlist are there for the Java. And we have already made some interview question, real time interview question, like tell me about yourself, or just let me show you. So this is the very common question. Just go through that. I'll show you. This is, what is the challenges you have faced in your, what is your roles and responsibility in your current project, what is your day-to-day activity, tell me about yourself. So please refer this, and I have already shared some link over there. So here what will happen, you will get some idea of the question and answer. I will paste it all the question in the video description. So please go through that, and please prepare for that answer as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. And one humble request, like if you are getting some profit for this video or any suggestion, any feedback, please share and subscribe my channel. I'm trying to do like every weekend upload some interview question for top level of the MNC company, and definitely that will profitable to for you. Okay, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend, the people who is attending the interview. Or if you are facing any problem, anything, just reach out to me, and definitely I will guide you, help you, whatever the things do in my side, definitely I will try to do. Thank you so much.